morning. My name is Terry Murray. I'm with the Sons of the American Revolution, Cape Cod chapter. Standing next to me is George Lewis, who has one of his ancestors is buried here and fought in the Revolutionary War.
Alexander Gross. After Terry's finished, I'll tell you a little story about Alexander.
The Cape Cod chapter of the Sons of the American Revolution is honored to present to Adam Howard our National Society's Certificate of Appreciation for your dedicated service to the men and women of the United States military who have fought so bravely to preserve the freedoms we all enjoy. Thank you, Adam, a true American patriot on this Patriots Day.
Well deserved, well deserved.
A little bit about Alexander Gross. Alexander Gross was in the Continental Army. He was in New York, New Jersey, Boston, Delaware, Washington, Battle of Trenton, the Battle of Princeton, and then he got out. And this was in July of '76 when he was with his cousins out in South America. On his way back, he got captured by the British, and he was taken to Britain. This was after he served 1 year in the Continental Army. After that, he escaped from Britain finally. He was caught by the French, ended up with the French. He was over there for 12 years, and he was in Dunkirk. That correspondence in the National Archives showing that Thomas Jefferson and John Adams tried to get him released. I don't know how he got released, but 12 years later, he finally made it back to Provincetown, back to Truro, and he got married and he had kids, so that's why I'm here. And also, his father, Jonah Gross, was also he was also in the Continental Army. He was up to Boston, right after the British left to defend Boston, and his two brothers were also, his brother was also patriots, so it's quite a patriot family. Thank you.
Thank you for that wonderful honor. That's I don't usually cry in public, but damn near did. We're now going to have the members of our militia company rededicate the graves. They're going to be placing new 13-star flags on each, and they will then be returning here. You are welcome to join them. Just be advised that the walk is a little hilly and a little steep in spots, so if you're not up for the walk, that's perfectly fine. Then we will come back down here. We will render official honors, and when the Reverend gets here, we'll have a benediction, and then we'll basically conclude our cemetery tribute today. We do have books on the table from the Cemetery Commission that gives a history of the cemetery, not only from the Revolution, but to present day. Those of you who remember Nappy from town, he was instrumental in helping to get those books published, and they are free of charge. If you want to leave a little donation, that's fine too, but it's not required. So now I'm going to turn it over to the gentleman of the militia company to place the flag. Somebody like to step forward, and you have the flags already? You have the flags already? Company. Hold up. Pile. Right about face. Forward march for the placement of the flag. Anybody that would like to join, please feel free to do so. I'm going to hang here.
Sure. Yeah, that's how I was going to go up.
You know cameras?
I don't, but I was going to do it.